Nifty is the index which is tracked by global investors. Nifty helps us know the market directions. So if you are looking for the regular updates on Nifty, here we update daily Nifty, weekly Nifty, monthly Nifty, yearly Nifty. Daily Nifty is updated every day morning before 9 o'clock. It gives you information on what discussed yesterday, what happened yesterday, and what to expect today. We discuss major indices. We discuss USD, INR along with crude. We discuss some important events in daily Nifty. Weekly Nifty is updated every Monday before 9, where we discuss what we discussed last week, what happened last week, and what to expect this week, along with major indices. Monthly Nifty is updated on 1st of every month, where we discuss what we have discussed last month, what happened last month, and what to expect this month. Yearly Nifty, same thing, is updated 1st of every year, January. We discuss what we discussed last year, what happened last year, and what to expect in the upcoming year, along with major indices and some events which can affect the market. So get ready to track the benchmark of India along with thousands of investors since last decade. Welcome. Only at profit from it. Should download the app Profit from it from Google Store.